All right, it's about 10:11, and this is Henry, and I'm on the trip, and we're in Yosemite Valley, and we're gonna go for a bike ride. So I got this Bike Friday, Tuesday, Bike Friday, and the bicycle was Tuesday, Tandem. Yeah. And I found this place right next to the bridge. Let me check everything. And then go see Candy, see the bicycle over here. And I go to you find okay, okay. Get this out of the way, I'll get through again. Yeah, get it. Put it back. Put it back there. Good morning. It's about 10:46. We're in Yosemite Valley, and we thought we'd go for a bike ride. Now, the last time we've been on, about a year ago, we were in Ireland riding along the Wild Atlantic Way, and Sienna was so happy, or not happy, but satisfied with the tandem that we ended up getting this custom-made tandem for us, which we have ridden many times since. So we're gonna go for a ride in Yosemite Valley. Let me know when you're ready, babe.
Ready.
And here we go. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
All right, here we go. Oops. Let's see. Thank you. Let me get out of the way here. I need to get good. And rock and water. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
All right, let's ride. You want to stop for a picture? Okay, we'll keep going.
This is a Yosemite Fall, right?
That's upper Yosemite Falls, and below that you can't see, it's lower Yosemite Falls, right? That's Yosemite, upper Yosemite Falls, and down below is the lower Yosemite Falls. Are you hungry?
Oh, you want to eat?
Well, I'm getting hungry.
Okay, let's go.
You know what time it is? It's pizza time.
Oh, I see. Okay, pizza time.
We're heading. It's about 11:30. We're heading up to Curry Village, get a pizza.
All right.
All right, so it's about 11:44, and we're at Curry Village, and that's a food court area. We stopped for a pizza break. Oh, there she is. There she is.
Here you go.
Here, baby, we can sit over.
Have a long meat then.
Okay.
If you want a cheese.
I know. It's losing air. All right, bicyclists behind you, whichever way you want to go. Work around it.
We're on the other side.
You know, babe, we'll try to go up as far as we can.
Okay.
On your left side. Thank you. Good. Now, oh yeah, let's stand in the middle of the road. Why don't we?
Excuse me.
Yeah, that's right, babe. We'll go around them somehow.
Okay.
And stand in the middle of the road. Why don't we? Sure.
Whoops.
Exit bestie.
Oh yeah, you don't have to do it so hard, babe. We got it. I got it in a low gear. I'll see if I got another one back there. Oh yeah, I got another one back there. Just, babe, would you just nice and easy? Gee. All right, babe, you can do it. Only 10,000 more feet to go, babe. Yeah, I don't need an e-bike as long as I got her back there. Coast. No more bicycles.
Oh yeah.
No bicycles.
Okay.
Stopping.
Okay, cool.
Good job. All right, we made it up to Mirror Lake on our own, no help. We're gonna take a little break here. Okay, it's 12:23. We made it up to Mirror Lake. Take a little break here. I'll let Sienna go for a hike. Sienna, go for a hike if you want to. I'm gonna be with a bike.
All right.
So I'm gonna hang around with a bike. Let Sienna go for a walk. Back to the valley. You want to say anything to the GoPro?
Hi.
No, this one.
Oh. Hi.
No, that one.
The stoker did a good job.
What?
Stoker. Stoker
Yeah,
here.
but stoker's nothing, and if it weren't for the captain.
Yeah, good team.
Yeah, yes, dear.
Right?
I'm just kidding. You did a very good job, dear.
Right.
And before we get into any more arguments, we're going to get back on the road. Let me know when you're ready. I know.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes, ready.
And here we go. Let's ride. Oops.
Wow, so pretty. And now it's
Is the red light on?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
You ready? you for blocking our way. Oh shit, I'm gonna have to stop, babe. Sorry. I wish they would. Me either. What?
Excuse me.
Oh, Sienna, where are you? I said, are you ready? I heard yes.
Say anything. I say the guy don't even move.
I know.
Now it's ready.
Okay, are you ready now?
Yeah, now
Okay,
yes.
here we go. I mean, it felt really easier pedaling. Whoops!
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Babe, leave the...
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Are you ready? Are you on the bike?
Yeah.
Will I be pedaling by myself again? Okay, here we go. Let's ride! Okay, adjust your seat.
Where you going?
Away from you. Is it working? Probably. Okay. Excellent. Now, which bike route? There's a bike route. I don't know which way this is. We'll go. Because we took that way last time.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
We stop up there.
Yeah.
Hey.
So, I'm going to talk to the camera now. So if you're biking around Yosemite, you got to be careful with these tourists because they don't stop. They just keep up, you know, pedaling. I don't know what they're doing. Let me know when you're ready.
Ready?
Okay, let's ride. Okay, and go ahead and adjust your seat.
Okay.
Got it. Okay. Right. On your left side? Your left side. Your other, okay. Your
Left
other
side, left side.
Your right side then. Which way is it? Mirror Lake Happy Isles. Let's go this way. We came from that way earlier, but we'll take this way. Alright, and stopping. Babe, what are you doing?
I don't know.
You have to...
No,
Why did-
you slide on this side. Then
Because
make me
I gotta
slide
put
on.
my foot down.
Then you make me almost fall.
You learn to be a better stoker.
Beat the judge. Did you see it?
You're,
Don't bring me.
you're fired as a stoker. You walk home.
Okay. Get some water.
Oops, excuse me. All right, babe. Let me know when you are ready.
Ready?
All right, let's ride. Whoop. Okay, adjust your seat.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
And here we go.
I
Keep your feet on the pedal.
Jump up.
I'm gonna have to give you something.
Complain about me. Then don't put the foot on the pedal. My pedal's always on the
Babe,
pedal.
would you just be quiet, pedal? I guess we'll have to get off the bike. Okay, ready, dismount. That'll be good.
Can we stop here?
What?
Can we stop here? Yeah, see, take your picture. Right in front of the house.
So it's about 2:30. I had to swap out my GoPro camera, so, and we're on our way back.
All right. Ready?
All right. Let's ride. Adjust your seat. Okay, you know what it is? It's time for an ice cream break.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Pretty sure it is.
Okay.
All right. You adjust the pedal. Ready.
Ready?
Let's ride. Adjust your seat. And here we are.
Okay. Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed our bike ride.
Me?
And I'm talking to the camera.